Hi everyone, today let us look at this Phalaenopsis with leaning stem, and we repotted it in June 2019. And also we are going to talk about some tips on watering in winter cold days. For those who want to recap the repotting video, please check the link in the description. These are the comments under that repotting video. Not sure how they were confident to leave comments like this, but they must receive wrong information about orchids from somewhere else. More than 6 months have passed. Now let us take a look at how it is doing now. Now it has 8 mature leaves and 1 small leaf. We can see that the stem keeps up straight, and the leaves are neatly aligned, because we turn the pot regularly to change the direction of light. The trick is pretty much the same to training a flower spike. We have talked about the tricks on staking a flower spike in a video. I'll also put the link in the description. Look closely to the roots. The roots are growing fine in the pot. Due to we block the light with tinfoil wrapping the pot, the sphagnum moss can be kept clean, and the roots are in white. The roots are white due to lack of chlorophyll, but that is fine to our orchids. Although Phalaenopsis roots can do photosynthesis, it's not their main function, except some deciduous Phalaenopsis. Temperature goes down in winter. The low temperature slows down the evaporation rate after we watering our orchids. It also slows down the growths of Phalaenopsis orchids. Therefore, we reduce the watering times, and longer the watering intervals. When the temperature goes down to 10 degrees Celsius, around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, we keep the media dry to help the Phalaenopsis get through the cold temperature, which could possibly cause cold damages on Phalaenopsis orchids. Due to under this extreme cold environments, Phalaenopsis stops growing like resting. It doesn't consume any water. If we provide water at this situation, the water will only become the factor to root rotting. If you like this video, please give it a like, hit share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.